Hey, it's Ronan. It's the end of 2025. Happy 2026. I wanted to share with you my thoughts and plans for Accordion Love in this next year and how it relates to you, obviously. There are two or three big ideas, whether you're an accordion learner or whether you're just interested in supporting music and understanding music. If you're an accordion learner, accordionlove.com continues to have tons of free resources as well as paid resources that supports you wherever you are in your musical journey with lessons and techniques, etc. Live learning is now included in your membership. If you're an Accordion Love student, every Wednesday I'm going to be online taking your questions. So you join a Zoom link. You can come, whether we have 6 people or 30 people, you can come with your question or just listen and play a song, receive feedback. This is live every Wednesday. Time to be determined, likely 11 a.m. Eastern. Also, one Sunday a month, a live Zoom session where you can come with your questions, say, hey Ronan, I'm not sure about my fingering in the C major. I'm there to help you. This is included in your membership. It's no longer a separate program. There's no live subscription pricing. I want to make it available to everyone. Live workshops will also happen next year. That will be a separate price and to be determined. Not sure about what those workshops will be, but they will happen as well. The last thing about learning is I'm going to be emphasizing and having more emphasis about understanding chord progressions. I understand that to be a fully rounded musician, it's all about chords and chord progressions, whether it's klezmer or blues or waltzes. I'll be having a separate unit on that. Good, that's learning. Supporting accordion. I'd love to showcase more accordion in the world. I loved inviting people to my studio. I'd like to continue playing with other people and documenting that and going out to my community, to the pubs and libraries and just places, playing in the forest and in the beach. And I'd love your support with that. I'd love to bring you and document all the gear that's involved. And obviously, if you enjoy just listening to music, to be able to record that. So in that respect, I'm going to be doing that no matter what. I'm also going to be introducing channel memberships, which is a built-in program through YouTube where you click join. And if you're able to support the channel with $3 a month, $5 a month, $7 a month, whatever you can contribute, that gives you, no matter what, there'll be access. It shows you as a patron of the arts, almost like a Patreon. So you'll get a special badge next to your name and all the channel comments. In the live streams, you'll be invited to behind the scenes videos as well. That shows you a Q&A with these people that I'm playing with, and just gives you that exclusive access if you're able to contribute. Again, I want to make learning and the arts more available to everyone. And those of you who are able to, I'd like to give you that special access in order to make it happen. So that will happen in 2026. I'm really excited for it. The last thing that's happening that I'd love to get your help with organizing are Accordion Love meetups. So in the real world meetups around the world, including here on Vancouver Island, where Accordion Love students meet up and we play the same song, we have lunch together, we get to try each other's accordions, all those things that I wish happened when I was picking up the accordion. I would love to try Christopher's Beltuna accordion. I'd love to try a 48 bass accordion before I buy one. So I'm going to be sponsoring these. If you want to have coffees, if you want to have beers together in a lovely garden, I'd love your help to organize that. I'd love to have this. Let's try it in the spring, and maybe we'll have one in the summer and in the fall, all over the world, 5 or 6 places around the world. Keep an eye out for that. I'd love to have, again, more interaction in 2026, but however you want to learn, whether it's self-paced in your own kitchen, but again, humans still count. They count, I think, more than ever in 2026, and I'd love to emphasize that with Accordion Love. Have a happy 2026. Be healthy, be good. I'll see you in the new year.